Hey everybody, it's LadyLead. I am in my workshop. I'm in my workshop this afternoon working on some of you guys' orders. Thank you so much. As you can see, today I'm processing the first LadyLead edition Rep Your Zone shirt. I'm so happy to be doing that. I'm just so grateful for you guys' support because, you know, pink is my favorite color. So when you wear this shirt, I feel like you're wearing a piece of me. We love every single time I see somebody wearing one of our shirts. It just does something to my heart, y'all. It just warms my heart so much. So I just want to take a minute to say that and just let you in my workshop for a few minutes. Just so you know, like just in case you didn't know, your shirt is not mass produced. Of course, I'm not in here making shirts like sewing, but as you can see, this shirt is blank. And in a minute, I'm gonna put my customization on it. I'm gonna iron it on myself. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Every single shirt is hand customized by me with love from my heart. And I actually enjoy it. The only thing is, I don't like delays in shipping things out to you, but lots of things cause those delays. When we got that big order, it was the sheer number of orders that caused the delay. Then sometimes there are issues with shirts not being available in the size you want. Like I have, and I'm gonna show you my little garment rack over here. I have shirts. I just may have to go and get your size, and maybe once I get to the store it's not there, and then I have to wait a few days and go back. So that's part of what, you know, in case you were wondering, like, where is my shirt? If you one of the people who've experienced that, then that's what it is. So yeah, so I'm in here, I'm hand customizing your shirts for you. I'm getting ready to do this one for someone. I'm going to show you the process and we'll go from there. So see, like I said, I've got shirts, and for the most part, all the orders I've gotten to this point, with the exception of some that came in this morning, I have your stuff. So this process is called weeding. I know it looks like there's nothing here, but if you can see, there's some outlines of things that have been cut out. So I have to separate that. This, you know, I have to pull apart what I'm doing. I have to pull apart the parts that I want from the parts that I don't want. To me, this part is actually kind of therapeutic. I don't know why. I actually like doing this. The only problem is when you're in a rush, this isn't fun. And, you know, you can kind of get off track and make mistakes and pull off the wrong things. I've done that before, pull off the wrong part and had to try to. Luckily, this stuff is sticky, so I can, sometimes I can go back and get it to stick back down, just, you know, just temporarily, so I can iron it on. But there are times when my my cutter malfunctions, or times when I didn't pay attention to how far something is going over and it overcuts onto something else. Those are just mistakes that I make from time to time. But for the most part, this part goes smoothly. Here's one that I've already weeded out for someone who wanted a customization. So yeah, so that's what it looks like when it's done. This is halfway done. I want to make sure I get the pieces out of the R, the P, the O. I have to pull that out. The next step is the ironing part, which is actually kind of fun. This ironing process helps me keep things lined up, really. That's really what that's about. Of course, yeah, I don't want to send you a completely wrinkled shirt, although I will say this, I can't guarantee things come perfectly, you know, because of shipping. The shipping process is imperfect. But my hope is that when you do get the shirt, it looks the way it's supposed to look. So if you ever need to, like if you notice your letters are wrinkled, or you notice that maybe your letter might even be lifting a little bit, you can just take a pillowcase and throw on top and iron it back down. Or you can just turn the shirt over and iron it from that way. This is one of my other favorite parts. This is where my design meets the shirt and they finally get to be together. This is the part where I take my iron, and now this is no longer a plain pink shirt. Now this shirt is a Rep Your Zone shirt. Now this shirt is customized. Once I do the front a little bit, I'll take it and I'll flip it. This is the same process that you can use if you want to iron yours. I want to make sure I get a good seal, that the vinyl is well adhered. You can feel safe in washing your shirt. If you feel you need to iron your shirt, you can just turn it over and iron it on the reverse side, on the back. And then once I feel like I've done this long enough, I want to turn it back over. I'm going to turn it back over. And I'm going to go one more time, and then I'm going to peel it off. Now it's time for the peel. And I'm checking my letters to make sure they all are staying on the shirt. Boom. And now we have an official Rep Your Zone shirt for Grow Zone 8B in Texas. And this person asked for a customization, so I'm not quite done. I'm going to get her customization on her sleeves like she asked. There we have it. I'll do the other sleeve, and then this will be ready to ship. All right, that's it. This shirt is ready to ship, y'all. Thank you again for repping your 8B Texas Girl Zone with us. We appreciate you so much. I'm gonna get this out to you ASAP. I'm trying to make it to my post office run today before the day is out. So this is going out in just a moment. So I thank y'all for joining me in my workshop, y'all. It's Lady Led, and I thank you so much for watching.